In this video, I'm going to go over how to edit the Yoast SEO title and description for your website. So first of all, what is Yoast SEO and what does it mean? So Yoast is a company that makes a plugin that we install on all the sites that we create. They do search engine optimization, which is the SEO part of that name. And the name of that game is to make sure that your pages get ranked as high on Google, Yahoo, Bing as possible. So to edit the SEO title and description for each of your pages, we go to our pages right here, and we select the page we want to work on. So let's work on the menu page here. Instead of hitting Edit with UX Builder, I'm just going to click Menu. It's going to bring us to the page information and page settings here. I'm going to scroll down here. You can see this is the page content. This is why we always use the UX Builder, because this is very difficult to work in. So you can see all the way down here we have our Yoast SEO settings. So right here we have our SEO title. You can see that we have view our menu, view our online menu, then we have a separator, and then we have a site title. So generally you want to keep the name of the site, the SEO title, about this long. You can see this shows a very nice preview of right around what it would look like on Google. You can see here, if I start typing some content, you can see that green bar gets a little long. Then at some point it gets a little too long, and at this point either Google won't like it or it's too long, it won't rank as high on the page as it should. So generally, as long as you have a green bar, Google's going to be happy with that. You can see here we can change our slug. This is what appears right here. So this is like wings, for example, wings.our website here /menu. That's the way Google shows it. So if I change this to test, you can see that now this says test up here. Then lastly, down here, we have our page description. That's what shows up under here, under the link on Google. Once again, you're looking to aim for around couple sentences, no more than 3 sentences in this. You can see here we have another indicator bar stating that once we've gotten a little too long, you can see that Google starts to truncate it, which of course doesn't show all the information you might not want to show. You might want to show on Google, and Google might not rank your page as high as it should be. So keep both these bars in the green. Make sure you absolutely describe your pages here. This might be the first link that people see to your website. So even if it's not where you want them to come in, it's at least a way for them to get their foot in the door. So every page that you want to be ranked on Google, every page that you think that someone might show up on, it's a really good idea to make sure that it sells your website, even if it's the about page, even if it's the contact page. Just shows some information about it. So you can see here, this does a pretty good job. If you search for Jamaican food, you might want to find the menu. So of course in the description, we're going to search for find our online menu and download your own copy today. And if you're ready to order, maybe even throw their phone number right there so you can give them a call, not even clicking on the website. Right there you have an instant lead because you have that phone number in the description. Once you're happy with the way your Yoast SEO looks and you think that's what's going to let you get some customers into your website, you can hit the update button right here in the sidebar, and that'll update it. And then those changes will start propagating out to Google, Bing, and all the other companies whenever they index your site next, and that's what it'll appear like. So Yoast SEO is a very powerful tool to make sure that your pages appear exactly how you want on Google, Bing, Yahoo, and like I said before, we install this on every site that we create unless we're specifically instructed not to. So it's a very good tool for you to take advantage of. If you have any questions about Yoast SEO or any other questions in general, go ahead and contact us. We'll be happy to help you out. Thank you.